We are going to discuss the trend of ionization energy for the elements found in the 13th group of periodic table. In general, we know that while decreasing down the group, the ionization energy decreases, because as we move down the group, the size of the atom increases. As a result, the outermost electrons gets far away from the nucleus, and hence lesser energy is required to take out the outermost electron from the atom. But as we all know that the trend is not regular in most of the cases, as we have already read in periodic table. In 13th group, the elements are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. There is one more element below thallium, but it is of no importance as it is a highly radioactive element. So we will be discussing the ionization enthalpy from boron to thallium. Now if we talk about the first ionization energy, all values are in kilojoules per mole, then the ionization energy of boron is 799, aluminium is 577, gallium is also the same value 577, indium 556 and thallium 590. All values are in kilojoules per mole. Now there is no need to learn the values of ionization energy. You just have to know that what is the trend and why is the trend is following such order. Now among these 5 elements, boron has the maximum ionization energy, but obvious it should have the maximum ionization energy because it is the first element of the entire group. Boron has non-metallic character, its size is small, the nucleus exerts strong force of attraction on the 5th electron of boron. As a result, its first ionization energy is high. But if we observe the ionization energy of aluminium and gallium, then they both have the same values, that is 577 kilojoules per mole. Now the reason behind this is that they have almost same size, and we have read in class 11th that ionization energy depends upon the size of the atom. Since they both have same size, therefore their ionization energy is also same. We are talking about first ionization energy. Now for indium, the ionization energy is lesser than gallium. It is 556. For aluminium gallium it is 577 and for indium it is 556 kilojoules per mole. It is lesser. Do not worry about the values. It is lesser than aluminium as well as gallium. The reason behind is its size. It is a bigger atom if we compare it with gallium. But the most important exception over here is that the ionization energy of thallium is high. It is 590. It is even higher than aluminium and gallium. The reason behind the high ionization energy of thallium is its electronic configuration. If you look at the electronic configuration of thallium, it is 6s2, 4f14, 5d10, 6p1. The 14 electrons present in the 4f orbitals of thallium exerts very poor screening effect on the last electron, due to which the 81 protons present in the nucleus of the thallium exerts a strong force of attraction on the last electron of thallium. Hence it is attracted towards the nucleus more than what we expect. That's why the ionization energy of thallium is high. So the trend is that the highest ionization energies of boron, followed by thallium, followed by aluminium, gallium, both have equal values, and the least value is shown by indium. So this is the trend in the first ionization energy of 13th group elements. Thank you.